Imagine stepping outside as the sun sets and your backyard transforms into a tranquil retreat. Gentle garden lights cast a soft glow, while underwater pool lights shimmer, creating a mesmerizing dance of reflections on the wet stone pavers. Surrounding it all, a matte black ornamental aluminum fence frames the scene, sleek, sophisticated, and secure. At Harper's Fencing, Leo Harper and his expert team specialize in creating elegant, durable fences that bring both beauty and peace of mind to your outdoor living space. Whether you're enhancing your pool area or defining your property's style, Harper's Fencing is here to help. Call Leo today at 412-670-0042 for a free consultation and discover how the perfect fence can elevate your home's safety and elegance. This is where safety meets style, where your evenings become moments to cherish. Harper's Fencing, craftsmanship you can trust, from our family to yours.